it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as it's a rip connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's came here with another reaction. Woo! Today, guys, we're here with something different. We're here with a piece that everyone who hasn't been around the DJ would have liked to see. So we're there, we are see. So this is the making of storybooks by Vybz Kartel. So him and Rvssian in the studio, and I think them have vibes to some song or some shit. So I'm interested to see it. We not see it yet. So I could jump in it and see what go on. Let's go. So this is a master at work. I could see how I make him sing them. Let's go.
My G-Wagon.
Bad.
I know. Kick it in a gear and rev it like my G-Wagon.
Bad.
I know.
I know.
You're done shit. But I love you. Last night, fucking on your throat all night.
Yo, Rvssian is a genius, bro. Like, Rvssian have the chemistry with Carter from them time there. We make some crazy hits.
Last night, fucking on your throat all night.
The Gina background, I build up him sleep and I watch him father at work.
Me know what you with the money, alright. You understand? I know.
Hold on. This half of the door, me no, bro.
Fucking on your throat all night. Nobody worry about your man tonight. Me know what you with the money, alright. You understand? I know, ready.
I know. So every time Rvssian said that bad, him say, I know. You don't know what I worry about you, man. Me know what you with the money, alright.
Me know what you with the money, alright. You understand? I know, ready. No worry about your man tonight. At the night I fuck me up at you
I think you want. But don't worry about you, man.
Alright, go on, I'm gonna try the boy. No.
Oh, hey, yo.
Why?
I fuck me up at you
I think you want. But don't worry about you, man.
Alright, go on, I'm gonna try the boy. No.
Oh, hey, yo.
Pause. Wait, ease up.
Night I fuck me up at you
I think you want. But don't worry about you, man.
Alright, go on, I'm gonna try the boy. No.
Oh, hey, yo.
It's a drunk Rihanna wife. And me just gotta say, make you start something, do it for spite.
That's what you do for spite.
And that rhyme too, but just by accident, I'm a super talented.
Watch him son. What God? You know it, bro. Yo, this is chemistry at its finest, bro. Like, me love it.
That's what you do for spite.
And that rhyme too, but just by accident, I'm a super talented.
Just in case you didn't know.
Just in case you didn't know.
Oh, you know, remember when we were outside AC Hotel, my place really mind, they said something about boomerang.
That's why I tell you, from it, the first note where you're playing and reading, I say, fuck.
Yeah.
Dog up here, I'm not check up your sleeve. Can you pussy?
Gotta check up your sleeve. Yo. Yo.
They said something about boomerang.
That's why I tell you, from it, the first note where you're playing and reading, I say, fuck.
Yeah.
Dog up here, I'm not check up your sleeve. Can you pussy? If I bless you, know I love it.
Obviously, this video has been edited. Don't spoil the surprise for we as the fans who listen to the song. But I would love to be in the studio and I watch the whole process. Seriously. I would love that experience, dog.
I'm not check up your sleeve. Can you pussy? If I bless you, know I love it.
So, fling it, put it back.
Put it back, man.
Hey, yo.
If you ever
Why?
did fling it back.
Boy, if you ever did put it back.
Yeah, up them again then. Turn it. Then, just slightly. You are the star in my private room.
My heart.
I know.
That bad. I know. Of course it's bad, bro.
Room.
My heart.
I know. I'm in need you like me desperate. Yeah. That girl love you. Hold that like that.
Yeah. And that girl love here. Hold that like that. Me need it like me desperate, baby. Baby. Yo.
Yeah. That girl love you.
Yeah.
Hold that like that.
Hold that like that, pussy.
Don't try and take a joke too far. You're too bad, you know that. One for the storybooks. Wet up me balls with your pussy juice.
Fire.
You understand? Because remember,
Yeah.
I got philosophical.
Yo, everything like I just said, Russians here fire. I have no fire. And the first time I do this, and the second and the third time I do this. Them have hits on top of hits on top of hits. So when him hear Kartel say something crazy, fire. I know. What?
With your pussy juice.
Fire.
You understand? Because remember, I
Yeah.
got philosophical
Yeah.
storybooks.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
No.
Your pussy now, Jankra. Your nipple sweet.
Ah! Got philosophical story books. In your pussy now, junker. What?
Philosophical
Yeah.
storybooks.
Yeah. Yeah. No.
Your pussy now, Jankra. Your nipple sweet. Your body cute. I know.
That's it right there.
I know. With your pussy juice, me body spray champagne honeymoon. Woof. To their maths class.
Woof, woof.
Buckler. Maths up that.
Oh, we're missing 2 lines at there.
To the maths class, maths up that. Russian, I go cook up that now, bro. Remember me tell you, a problem when I sang a job.
No,
Oh, you
that's
want-
what I say.
oh,
I go
okay.
cook back. Me need you like me desperate, and then me exit. Just that alone, and then me make an exit line.
Okay.
Make it clear. Oh, you just that alone, ready? That alone, call me that say. Nothing I wanna add lib. Boom, boom.
Last night, can I get you a time?
Ah!
Last night, your boom boom time.
Ah!
Eating the gear and feel like a G-Wagon. Take it for a ride.
Russian that. And we out.
Yo, that's crazy, bro. Yo, when I sang out that Russian, yo, if you see a little sneak peek of it, bro. Thank you, Russian. Thank you, because this is not something that we, the fans, get to see very often. I don't think I've seen a Kartel studio session before. So if you see one, you know, yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful, and I'm glad I'm here to witness it. Obviously, it would be nice if it was longer, but them can't spoil the project when them work. But I get it. Bad. Russian, big up yourself. Head concussion. Teacher, big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, and the whole team. You see me? Yeah, man, me like it. What you guys think in the comment section about this one, though? Yeah? Let me know what you guys think, man. The man make it look so fucking easy, bro. Like, and he might have fun with it. He might have fun with it. That's the main thing. Having fun whilst you work. And that is exactly what he's doing. So big up yourself, teacher. Go and do it. You see me?
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.